Nifty Bank. I think we should get that one up for you on the screen. Well, Nimesh is with us as promised in our special segment, D Street Chatter. Nimesh, what do you say? Lack of appetite, it appears, out there. Breadth of the market is absolutely tarnished. We are tracking the headline indices. But tell us, what is the feedback you're getting?
So, we've been saying this for the last couple of days, right, Nigel? The sentiment is very weak. Traders are not making money. Even investors have lost a lot of money. So, maybe towards the year end, everybody's trying to just close on their positions and just set little light, and then maybe they'll take a fresh call in the new year. So, that's technically is playing out in the mid-cap and small-cap for the last many days. I guess today and tomorrow could be the last day because of the T+1 settlement now. So, maybe that pain in the mid-cap and small-cap could be for the next one or 2 days maximum. That's the overall feedback. In terms of flows, again, mixed day of trade. You just pointed out about the bank Nifty. While there is a FNO factor playing out, but also after many days, there is an indication of some, at least bids been shown by larger FIs in the financial names. Across large cap banks, there is some bit of interest is back. Whether they're buying or not, but at least there was an interest of buying or some bids have been shown. So that's the feedback as far as bank Nifty is concerned. I guess, as we spoke, right, the bigger pain is in the mid-cap and small-cap. The mid-cap index, again, in today's trade is down 0.5%. And there are so many stocks which are down 40, 50, 60, 70%. So there's been a clear hit in the portfolio as well for many investors, and who are especially in the mid-cap and small-cap. So that pain seems to be there, and that's hurting the sentiment as well. Technically, again, we've been repeating for the last many days now, 16,800 is a very important level to watch on the downside. So that at least is showing some bit of support for the last many days. But I guess sentiment is weak for sure. Next 2 days would be very crucial for the mid-cap and small-cap. But first signs of some bit of bids being offered in the financial names. That's the overall feedback in terms of flows.
Well, that's good news then, Nimesh. But what about individual stocks? You alerted us that MapMy India, there could be a large trade. I think some part of that got executed.
Yes, so that's the first stock as well in my list. C Infosystems, a large block got executed, 8 lakh shares, close to 1.5% equity changing hands. I had alerted this in yesterday's D Street Chatter as well. And in terms of seller, I believe one of the foreign entity who owns little 6% stake was a likely seller in today's block. And in terms of buyers, maybe one of the large HNIs was one of the buyers as well, is what I understand. So that disclosures could be important as far as C Infosystem is concerned. So that's the first one. The second stock is Bandhan Bank. Within the financial names, this is one stock hit a new 52-week low and still under pressure, big volumes as well. I guess there are two factors. One, there is a big supply overhang on that particular stock, and the fact that this stock is getting deleted from the Nifty Next 50 index, and that's the reason why there is massive selling pressure from the larger FIs in today's trade in Bandhan Bank, and that's the reason why that stock is down. The third stock is Tech Mahindra. This is interesting. Within the IT names, been a big underperformer in today's trade, down 3% last when I checked, and even the volumes are on the higher side. And again, there's a note from Citi today. They have a neutral rating, but they've opened a 90-day negative catalyst watch on Tech Mahindra, largely because they believe that the growth challenges still persist, and Q4 could be soft for Tech Mahindra, and hence that stock is under pressure today. And the last stock is Supriya Life. Again, this stock has hit a new 52-week low. Even in today's state, the stock is down 2%. But I believe at these levels, some bit of HNI activity is back. So at least the feedback is some large HNIs have looked to enter into this stock at these levels. So there is some bit of accumulation happening. But again, all the pharma stocks have been massively hit, and this stock is down at a 52-week low. So some bit of buying support from HNIs is what I hear in Supriya Life today.